then I'll be fine unless I'm going insane.
Fuck you, Joey. Fuck you.
Touch on subjects motherfuckers read about. I touch on the shit that they be leaving out. I seen this motherfuckers non-smoking. I seen the same niggas